commanding, fuzzy, and musical. Meet Cervus canadensis, a four-legged songbird. Also known as the North American elk. Once roaming the continent in massive herds, these impressive animals now thrive in forests, meadows, and mountain valleys across much of North America, though their population has suffered. Weighing up to 1,100 pounds and standing 5 feet at the shoulders, elk are the third largest ungulate on the continent, surpassed only by moose and the mighty bison. When autumn arrives, the woods come alive with the bull's eerie musical call. It is part love song, part battle cry, used to both intimidate rival males and attract the ladies. During the rut, dominant males compete fiercely for control over the females, driving off rivals with displays of strength and endurance, putting those massive antlers to use. It's a test that decides who will carry on their lineage. So the next time you find yourself wandering a forest edge or driving through the countryside, keep your eyes open. Those distant shapes in the morning fog might just be elk, living proof that North America's wild heart is still thriving.